Good afternoon, Bastien Mahé from BVN Realty in San Juan Del Sur. Sorry, we are here today in Playa Nacascolo, and I'm facing, so behind those line of trees, there is the beach and the water, and we have actually from where I am a very nice view. There is the sun west closing, so it's hard to see probably from your video, but here the Bay of Nacascolo. Flying distance, it's less than a kilometer. It could be 600 meters flying distance to go on this Bay of Nacascolo. Okay, and then on this side you have San Juan Del Sur. So it's a square lot. It's a quarter acre. And I have also a view on the Christ statue. So I'm going on the high part of the lot. We can check here the Christ statue. So we are very near the city. Passing the south of San Juan del Sur Bay, you pass on the neighborhood called La Talanguera. And before the beach of Nacascolo, we have this beautiful square lot. With a west orientation. We are protected by this tree. I would say that it could be useful. House is here, we see through the tree. And we have some shade on the bottom part, so it could be actually something benefit for you, even if we hide it. So I will recommend probably to trim a bit this beautiful Guanacaste tree. But yeah. So here I'm facing east, sorry. Here I'm north. South. So there is an old well on the property. Also it's connected, the light post pass just in front, it touch our fence line. So probably it needs to be restored, I guess. Let's have a look inside, how deep it is. Okay, I will probably throw something like a wood. Okay, so there is water actually, guys. Okay, so here our lot, quarter acre lot, a bit bigger. We put the information of price and exact size in our video. Okay, good afternoon.